In a world where security is paramount, every entrance counts. What if there was a smarter and more efficient solution? Introducing ZKTeco swing barriers, the ultimate in secure and touchless entrance control. To facial recognition, ZKTeco swing barriers offer a range of cutting-edge verification methods to suit your security needs. And with touchless options like palm verification and visible light facial recognition, ZKTeco ensures hygienic security without compromising safety. Boost public hygiene and streamline access control with ZKTeco swing barriers. ZKTeco, because security is more than just a door. It's peace of mind.